This is going to be a very important video because I'm going to share how to crack job interview in any organization using ChatGPT tool. Okay, so this will be an important video. Please watch the video till the end. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to log into ChatGPT tool. Okay, once you log into ChatGPT tool, let's say you are going to give an interview in Amazon company or Google or Microsoft or any other organization. So in this video I'm going to take Amazon as an example. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to type the prompt. Okay, the first question that you're going to ask is I am going to give interview in Amazon company, let's say in India. What are some job roles we have in this organization? So first of all, you would like to know what are some job roles you have in Amazon organization. Okay, hit enter. It is going to give the list of job roles that we have in Amazon organization in India. Okay, so it says software development engineer, business analyst, operations manager, product manager, data scientist, solutions architect, sales and marketing, human resources, supply chains and logistics, customer support, quality assurance engineer. Okay, artificial intelligence researcher. So what we are going to do is let's go a little bit deep into this. Okay, I'm going to type, can you provide exact job designations in this company? I'm going to hit enter. Okay, if you see now, it is giving the job designations exactly. Will come from the top. The first thing under software development engineer, it has SDE1, SDE2, SDE3. This is more like level 1, level 2, level 3. Business analyst, if you are applying for business analyst position, you have business analyst, senior business analyst, business intelligence analyst. If you are a manager, if you are applying for operations manager role, you have roles like operations manager, senior operations manager, area manager. Okay, solutions architect, guys who are into technology, solutions architect, senior solutions architect, principal solutions architect, sales and marketing, human resources. So whatever role you're applying in this organization, you have designations for all these. Now what you need to do is, let's say you are in the IT industry, let's say you want to apply in this organization to work as senior solutions architect. Okay, this is the position that you would like to apply for or to give an interview, senior solutions architect. So what you need to do is come down and type, could you please provide interview questions for senior solutions architect. Okay, could you please provide interview questions for senior solutions architect. Now we are going really deep into this. I'm going to hit enter. See what it happens. It is going to give all the interview questions that have been asked to the people in this organization so far. See, these are all the beautiful questions. Technical questions. Can you describe a complex technical problem you have solved in your previous role? What were the challenges and how did you approach the solution? So when you're attending an interview, you may not be having any idea what this interviewer is going to ask. Now with the help of ChatGPT tool, you already have the common questions that have been asked in this particular organization for this particular role. So you have all the technical architectural questions, most common questions. Walk us through the architecture of a scalable web application. How would you design it for high availability and fault tolerance? It's a beautiful question. What are some considerations you take into account when designing a cloud based solution using Amazon Web Services? Okay, now we have all the questions, technical, architectural questions, and also behavioral questions. Behavioral questions are also very important. It's not only about answering technical questions. All these big organizations, they would also like to give scenario based questions or behavioral questions. Now, okay, we got the questions. Now let's go further deep into this. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to provide answers for these particular questions. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, can you can you please can you please provide answers for, let's say, technical architectural questions. Let me copy paste. Okay, can you please provide answers for questions? Let me hit enter. Let's see how it goes. If you see now, it is giving answers. Okay, let's go up. It says complex technical problem solution. In my previous role, I was asked with optimizing the performance of a high traffic commerce website. This challenge was to reduce page load times and handle sudden traffic spikes during promotional events. I implemented various trends such as content caching, CDN integration, and load balancing. Okay, so this is the answer for the first question. So this is the first question, and it is giving the answer here for the first question. And if you see the second question, it says, uh, walk us through the architecture of a scalable web application. How would you design it for high availability and fault tolerance? And it is giving the answer here. When designing a scalable web application, I would utilize a multi-tier architecture. So basically, you are getting the questions that have been asked in an organization, and you are also getting the answers how to respond. So all you need to do is, you need to, you if you already have knowledge on this topic, then you need to just, find out the answers and answer those questions during the time of the interview. So you're getting everything here: first answer, second one, third one, four, five, six, seven. Okay, now let's say you want to get answers for behavioral questions. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just copy this. Okay, now could you please provide answers for behavioral scenario questions? I'm gonna hit enter. So it is giving answers now: first answer, second answer, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Okay, so it is giving the answer for all these behavioral questions. Tell us about a time when you had to collaborate with multiple teams to deliver a complex solution. How did you handle your conflicts or challenges that arose? If someone asks behavioral questions during an interview, sometimes we don't know how to answer, because technical questions, yes, you might have learned concepts and you might have watched some videos and all these things, but behavioral questions is like you have to be really spontaneous and you don't even have time to think about it. So these kind of questions, will help you to get prepared even before you attend the interview. So you have the answers now. It says, in my previous role, I was tasked with optimizing the performance of a high traffic. Let me go down. Yeah, this is the behavioral question. Yeah, in a previous project, I was leading the architecture design for a new mobile application. The challenge was integrating the app with various backend services developed by different teams. I scheduled regular cross-team meetings to align on requirement and design decisions. When conflicts arose, I facilitated open discussions to find solutions that balance technical requirement and project timelines. By maintaining clear communication channels and fostering a collaborative environment, we successfully delivered the app on time, meeting both business and technical goals. So when you answer like this, any interviewer would understand that you have a really good experience working in this particular role. Of course, you need not by heart this. You get the knowledge from this particular tool and try to convey in your own language. It's okay, you did not speak like a like if like you need not have like great English, but you try to convey the information, getting the answers from this particular tool in your own language. So these are all the answers for this particular role. So the beauty of this is, in this particular video I've taken example using Amazon organization. Now, let's say you're applying for a job role in the USA or Canada or Germany or any organization in some other country. Okay, you can just type that organization name and you can ask the interview questions. You will get all the details of the questions that have been asked in this particular organization. So before even attending the interview, you will get most of the questions that have been asked in this particular organization. You can prepare well and you can give good interview when you are in front of the interviewer. So these are some important details that I want to share in this particular video. This is a very important video. If you want to use it for any job interview in any organization in any country, this will be really helpful. Okay, so yes, this is what I wanted to share in this particular video. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. Okay, I wanted to convey few more details as well. So in this particular video, we got 7 questions. Under technical architectural questions, we have 7. Under behavioral scenario questions, we have 7. Now you want to know more questions, not only 7 questions. Maybe you want to learn more technical questions. Now what you can do is, you need to just do the same thing. See, what I'm going to do is, let me copy this. Could you please provide more questions for, okay, I'm asking to give more questions. It's not only 7 questions that you will read and go. You need to prepare at least 50, 100 questions so that you will be well prepared during the interview. So I'm going to hit enter. So what it is going to do is, it is going to give more questions. See, it is giving more questions. How do you design a highly available architecture that spans multiple regions in AWS? Explain the concepts of horizontal and vertical scaling. When would you choose one over the other, and how would you implement it in an architecture? Okay, describe the differences between AWS Lambda and EC2. In what scenarios would you choose one over the other? These are very beautiful questions, guys. Now, of course, you need to know the answers as well for this. So what you can do is, you simply type, can you please provide answers for these questions? Hit enter. See, it is giving answers for all these questions. So we got like 20 questions now here, and we are getting answers for all these questions. So in this way, you can you can prepare for like 50, 100, 150, how many questions you have in this tool. You can just prepare, and you'll be ready to give answers during the time of the interview. So it's up to your imagination. You can go really in depth and find the answers for the interview questions. All right, so this is the last tip that I wanted to share. I really hope you find this information helpful, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and if you want to share this content with someone else, please share this content. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.